Hi there. You are watching Gizmo Journal. Introducing the Wondershare Filmora mobile app, which is a powerful video editor for your smartphone. In today's episode, we will learn how to do SFX, that is, create and apply sound effects in your TikTok, Instagram Reels, and make them more appealing and trending on social media. I have imported multiple videos of people celebrating in different scenarios, and without sound, these videos cannot make the impact you are trying to make. Click the audio menu, then Sound FX. You will find hundreds of sound effects readily available for you to apply. They are sorted by categories like memes, funny, animal sounds, and different others. Here in the ambient section, we might find what we are looking for. We can simply search for the SFX directly as well. This one sounds just right. Similarly, for the next scene, let us find the sound effect it needs. This one looks like a party near the beach. In the next example, we have a girl blowing a whistle. There! It sounds so real. Make sure you place the SFX aligned with the scene. In the Filmora app, you can even generate sound effects using AI. In the audio menu, go to the AI Audio tab, then switch to AI Sound. Now, describe the sound effect. Crowd cheering on the beach. Click Generate. There. Add to the timeline, move, and place it accordingly. You have your background sound for the video, just like that. This is how you make your trending videos sound professionally edited, add sound effects for the best viewers' reactions, all in the Filmora mobile app. This is the end of today's episode. You were watching Gizmo Journal.